Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew here, and today we are going to be talking about ZOM or Zomedica stock. This stock's had a bunch of hype and it's been rallying over the past week, so we're going to talk about it. What are my thoughts? Where do I think it's going to go? And what are the big catalysts? And you can probably tell that my audio sounds very different. It's because I got a new mic and a audio interface, so hopefully I'm going to be learning how to improve my audio over the next few weeks. Because you guys have just been showing so much support for me, and I want to make sure I provide the most quality content that I can, and of course that comes with quality audio. And of course, if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are now on the road to 2,000 subscribers because we just hit 1,000. Of course, once again, thank you guys so much for that. But other than that, let's get right into the video. Now, the saying goes, a dog is a man's best friend, and that has been extremely true, especially over the past few months with the pandemic going on. Now, we all have that one dog or cat or some sort of pet that became part of the family and was just like one of your other siblings or just like another family member. Now, especially during this pandemic with a lot of people being laid off and a lot of people working from home, they've had to have companions with them, and a lot of the time that means a dog, a cat, or some sort of pet. Now, you might be wondering why I'm talking about this. We get it. We know that dogs are just like family members. But the point that I'm getting at is people tend to spend a lot of money on their pets. And if you want further proof of this, take a look at this article. It says the pandemic has caused an economic boom in the canine and feline health system. Now, Dr. Margot Varnwald said, "It's crazy in a good way. We're probably seeing 25% more new pets than we would normally. It feels busier, and we're seeing increased revenue." The article also says that multiple veterinarians even had to limit new clients due to such traffic. Now, all this information that I just talked about is extremely beneficial for Zomedica, which is an animal health company focused on meeting the needs of clinical veterinarians in ways that promote both patient and practice health. Zomedica engages general practice veterinarians, veterinary healthcare teams, and veterinary specialists to develop products for clinical use based on clinical needs. Their goal is to bring gold standard performance to point of care testing to improve diagnosis of disease. But as you can see from the chart, Zomedica stock has been absolutely booming. At the end of December, it was under 20 cents, and now it is over $2.40 at the time of this recording. So I think it's booming because people have understood that there has been increased spending on pets over this pandemic, and while people have had to stay home and work from home. And they also realized that their product, which is called TrueForma, which I'm going to talk about in a second, is going to be launching in March, which is going to absolutely explode their revenue. Now, their TrueForma product is a biosensor platform designed to assist practitioners in the diagnosis of complex conditions. You start out by obtaining a sample, adding a sample to a cartridge, and you insert that into the TrueForma device, and you get the results within an average of 20 minutes, which is absolutely insane. That is extremely fast, and that is definitely groundbreaking. Now, TrueForma offers complete control over the testing process from start to finish, and this allows veterinarians to make clinical decisions faster and begin treating your furry friend faster. Now, the idea of TrueForma has been out for a while, but you might ask, why has the stock just started to rise so much, and why are people putting so much attention on it now? And what I'm going to show you next might surprise you.
It's Carol Baskin from Big Cat Rescue, and I don't know if you guys have heard about Zomedica, but they help our veterinarians and our furry friends. Oh, yeah. They have a product called TrueForma that's coming out in March of 2021, and they think it's going to be a really big seller. Yeah. I'm definitely invested in finding out more about this product, TrueForma, from Zomedica. Oh, it's going to be a good one. I just feel it in my cat bones. Check it out.
Now, scratch your eyes, pinch yourself, do whatever you have to do, because what you are seeing is not a dream. Yes, Carol Baskin, one of the stars of Tiger King, actually endorsed ZOM or Zomedica on a Cameo. Now, if you guys don't know what Cameo is, it's basically where you can buy a little clip of one of your favorite actresses, songwriters, whoever that's on it, and they'll send you a personalized video. Now, you do have to pay a lot of money for it, and I do think it's a ripoff, but people decide to do it, and they decided to do it for Zomedica. So after that Cameo came out, it started bringing a lot of attention to Zomedica. It started to go viral, and people started actually looking into this company and if their products are going to be beneficial for the future. Now, once the stock started jumping, it started popping up on everybody's scanners, and big YouTubers like JJ Buckner started to talk about it. And as you can see, just a bunch of people just started making a lot of videos about it. And then all of the news spreads like wildfire, and the effect of that is you get this graph right here where it's basically just a vertical line up. Now I'm going to talk about some recent bullish news that's also come out for Zomedica, and then I'm going to get into my final thoughts about it and what I think is going to happen near March when they release their TrueForma product. Now the biggest piece of news came out on January 25th where Zomedica struck a deal with Miller Veterinary Supply. Now they're going to work with Zomedica's sales force to drive sales of TrueForma in the eastern and mid-east region of the United States. They're also going to provide customer service support for a point-of-care diagnostic system for cats and dogs. Now the CEO of Zomedica, Robert Cohen, said, "We could not be happier about signing this distribution agreement with such a reputable and highly experienced organization. We believe that the principals of Miller share the same commitment to quality, customer service, and value that we hope to be the hallmarks of TrueForma line of products." Now this came after Robert Cohen was actually appointed to CEO on January the 4th, after he had been acting as interim CEO. Now, if you are an investor in Zomedica, I actually really like this because this guy got into CEO, and a few weeks later, he already struck a distributive deal with one of the largest distributors in the United States. Now this shows he wants to push out this TrueForma product, and he wants to make this company the most money possible. Now he brings over 30 years of executive leadership and operations experience from medical device, biotechnology, and pharmaceutical industries. So overall, I think this was a good move on Zomedica's part, and it seems like it is paying off already. Now finally, we're going to talk about what I kind of think of this stock, and personally, I don't think it's going to sustain the move that it's made in the past few days for now. Now I do think once March rolls around and it starts catching that hype again with TrueForma releasing on March 30th, I think it's going to absolutely explode. I think there is a lot of people on this stock, and I do think they're going to FOMO into it and buy into it before March 30th. Now, does that mean you should buy into it? No, absolutely not. It does not mean you should buy into it. You don't want to FOMO into one event. You want to make sure you study this company enough and you do your own research. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you guys some options and talking about the trending stocks and if I think they're good investments. Now, I do think it's going to be an easy stock to trade because of all the volatility. It's going to be moving around a lot near March. Even though it already is now, I think it's going to be even more extreme. Now, just remember, this is a penny stock. It's worth only $2.43 right now. So do not put in your entire portfolio into it. That is not a good idea, and that's not how you become a profitable investor. But other than that, guys and girls, that's going to be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about Zomedica or ZOM. Do you guys think it's going to have a huge run-up like I do into March when it's going to release TrueForma? Or do you think it's going to crash and burn once it loses volume? Now, of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with more content like this, more news-based stuff, and of course, we're going to be talking about the trending stocks and what I think about them and some important news that comes out with them. So other than that, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.